Ni thiku imwe tu kuma mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ekira muingi mwihoko wa ati gutamba kwa murimo wa Covid-19 ni gucokete thina njira nene no akinyiriria ati ihinda ria kugathura kamba. Ndeto ino ya kuga ati bururi wa Kenya ni hotete kuhitana na murimo uyu niwe cungireirie ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwiri thi yothe kuruta ndumiriri na kuga no mwaka bururi uyu korore maitho kuona kwandikithia namba nini ya arwaru ti kuonania ati ni turikitie kuhotana kaimana. Kuringana na mutafariri wa mihang'o thini wa ministry ya ũgima wa mwiri Rashid Aman, bururi ndurugamire handu horu ona gutwika no rithianga gatena kanene tutananirira ati murimo uyu ni wathira kaimana.
President speak yesterday and say that we need to approach this with a lot of caution, and I have said it before that we need not to feel that we are out of the woods and begin to rejoice and relax what we have been doing. Gives some level of comfort that perhaps we are seeing some development in that area.
WHO ikiuga guku bururi-ini ni gukoretwo na menya miingi ta ya guthimana undumwe na kuremwo gukinyira aria mahutanitie na arwaru a homa ya Covid-19. Rashid Aman akiuga ni ma uhoti wa bururi wa guthimana ni ucokete thi kumana na ihengesha ngurani.
If we continue with the various measures that are already in place that have contributed to where we are today, then I think we will be able to navigate this area and we'll be able to see ourselves at a point where we can comfortably at some point say, yes, we have flattened the curve and we're there.
Kwambiriria mweri ni wenana namba ya arwaru ikoretwo igikuruka na gikiro kinene undu uria ukoretwo gitumura kiuria gia kana ni murimu urahuka kana ca. Gukiri uguo thirikari ni uritia Kenya gukinyira oro hau no nyitaniri wa muingi na thirikari ni gutuma bare no ihotano.
We may be moving in the right direction, but we need to give it time and establish and see whether this trend that we are seeing will persist and will bring us to a flattening of the curve and thereafter decline or the slope of that curve.
Maundu maingi ta kuhingurwo gwa thukuru mahocetio gicura-ini gia kana namba ya arwaru ni guikuruka na bururi hote kwandikithia namba nini ya ikuo iria ciumanite na Covid-19 no kiuria giariria ndeto ino ikahanika no ihinda tu rikuga. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũngari wa Kamau.